Stop placing text manually, use motion tracking in CapCut PC to make your effects stick to moving objects automatically. So for that, first we have to open up our CapCut and create a new project. Then import the clip you want to edit. Now you can add anything you want to track. It can be text, sticker, or image. I will start by dragging in default text, typing something, and adjusting the font and effects. After that, I will add a sticker as well. And once everything looks good, select both the text and sticker, right-click and create a compound clip. This combines them so they move together during tracking. Now we just have to select the compound clip and go to the tracking option in the top right corner. Then choose motion tracking and you can see a tracking box will appear. Now place it on the object you want to follow. For example, the top of the car, I just place it, and now from the tracking settings, set the direction to both, turn on the tracking option and press start. Now CapCut will automatically track the movement. Now you have to wait until it's analyzing, and when it's completed, and now you can see CapCut will automatically track the movement. And now play the video to preview the result. But if the tracking isn't perfect, simply undo and press start again to retract for a smoother result. Now your text and sticker will follow the object naturally. Preview your video or export it to see the final result. I hope this guide helped you a lot. Make a like and subscribe for more CapCut tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.